So y'all think I should start over?
Yeah.
Like that eye look cool.
The other one, the one with the lash on it, don't look that bad.
This is the Kalia show. Watch it when you're feeling low. Then you'll begin to glow, just in case you didn't know. Now you know I'm not a rapper, but I will try. My song is pretty catchy, you can't deny. So like, comment, and subscribe. Come on, girl. Don't be shy. I will keep you up all night. And I'll keep your spirit bright. Let's go. This is the Kalia show. Just in case you didn't know. This is the Kalia show. Just in case you didn't know.
Really discouraged. I hated that look and I didn't think I was going to record another look. But this one's coming together nicely. So far I've just been packing in red in my crease and just blending it out. Recording.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, Jasmine says.
I got my black ass back in the game.
You got your black ass back.
And now I'm gonna go in with a darker burgundy color. So now I'm just blending in the burgundy and the bright red together, and I'm putting red all over my lids. I was kind of just going with the flow for this look. Now I'm taking a NYX glitter primer and I am putting that all over my lid before I put the glitter on. Now I'm going back in with the dark burgundy color and putting it in my crease just to darken it up a little bit after I have applied the glitter. And I will blend that out with the red. Next I am going into my Pretty Rich palette and using Fluent in Diamonds for my inner corner. Now I'm taking off the tape and you can see that clean cut. Yes! Now for my under eye, I'm sure there is an easier way to do this, or you can use like a glitter pen or something like that, but I'm being innovative and I am applying glitter primer underneath my eye, and I'm taking a really skinny angled brush and going in with the same glitter that I use on my lid and applying it underneath my eye. Now I'm going in with a NYX liner in dark red or rouge, and I'm just outlining my entire lips, and then I'm kind of like filling them in a little bit, and then I'm going to take a lip gloss made by the Kalia collection from MAC, and I'm gonna rub that all together and we're done.